What's up, everyone? I just picked up this cordless pool vacuum off of Amazon. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So it comes with a charging cable here, handles, the vacuum itself, some instructions, some screws here. This does have a large capacity battery, and to charge it up, you're going to plug it in right here. And to turn it on, you push the on button. It has 4 wheels right here. Comes with some handles. Let's put these on here. Handles go right in there. And you take both your screws, tighten them down on each side, here and here. And it does come with a hook to be able to pull it out of the pool once you're done. And it also does come with 2 scrapers for the bottom of there. These are like flexible material, so that's going to be able to scrape everything off the bottom of the pool. So let me show you again with this one. It's going to nice and easily slide that in until they snap in. And these scrapers will scrape the bottom, trying to collect all that dirt and debris. Let's open this up really quick. Just take a look inside. There's 4 snaps that come right off. In here, you can see that's where the motor is. Here's your screen filter. You can lift that up, and that's where all your debris is going to be sitting after we're done. So let's throw this thing in the water, take a look, and see how it works. Turn it on. We're just going to push this button. You hear an audible beep. Know that we're ready to go. So let's toss it in the water, see how it works. All right, we're going to let that sink all the way to the floor. And you can see that moving around the pool at a nice speed. Oh yeah, it just picked up a bunch of leaves that I can see. Just easily picking up all that debris, all that dirt. This thing is really nice. It's one of those things that you can just set it and forget it. Like I said, it has a 2-hour battery life, so you could just keep this thing in your pool, let it clean it up, come pull it out, recharge it, so you're ready to go next time. This vacuum does have some speed to it, man. This thing is zooming around in the water really fast. It's doing a great job at picking up all the debris. Watch it come back here. There's a little bit of dirt and stuff in the bottom there. Watch this. Right where it ran over, cleaned it right up. Yeah, that is awesome. This is a great pool vacuum cleaner. Something that is just super easy to use. So like I showed you earlier, it does come with this hook attachment. You just simply put it onto the pole, push the 2 buttons, and it fits right in here. So that'll be nice and easy to grab it. So first, let's drain out all the water. Let's open it up. See what it got in there. Wow, look at that. Just all that grit, leaves, a little bit of rocks, that dirt in there. So this is great. All you have to do is take a hose, simply spray it out. You can see that the filter did a great job too, preventing all that stuff from getting sucked up into the motor. Overall, this is a great high-powered cordless pool cleaner. I highly recommend picking up this cordless pool cleaner. Thanks for watching.